Babe, what you doing?
Finally finishing this thing up after 3 years.
Dang, about time.
I know, tell me about it. Go. Let's get it. Maiden voyage. So pretty down that hood. See that slick paint? Drive's nice. We ain't gonna take her far. She ain't got much gas. But we wanted y'all to go with us on the first ride. What do you think, baby?
So far, so good.
Definitely need to adjust those mirrors, but we'll wait and let the owner adjust them, I guess. So I can't see nothing. There's a turtle dove. Come here, turtle dove. No, I'm just kidding. What the stairs you'll get in this thing. She's gonna love it. You know, it was nice and sunny about an hour ago when I had this plan, you know. I was like, let's get it done. Now look at it. But you can see the car better, the truck better. See the paint? Oh my goodness. Beautiful drive. I'm gonna back it back in here. What'd you guys think of that ride? Sweet. Oh gosh. Don't hit the mirrors. one more little walk around with the hood open and the lights on, so you guys can really get a look at it. This thing is, I'm telling you what, it's a dime. It's taken us 3 years, and I apologize for that. I didn't do a lot of videoing. Just, you know, things happen. Life happens. We did a huge expansion on the shop back there. We've been so busy. Things like videoing and things like that have just kind of fell to the wayside, you know. And I really would like to get back into it, showing what's going on, because we really got some neat stuff going on around here. Doing a really awesome 69 Camaro. We've got a 67 convertible that we're getting ready to knock out. That's going to convertible Impala, my bad. So a lot of cool things. 53 Ford, kind of similar to this, a 47 53. It's going to be jet black, so that's going to be awesome. It's going to be slick. A lot of time in that, so we'll get some more videos going here sooner or later. Probably won't do any specials like we did this one, where we gotta, you know, follow along a whole build. That just takes too much time. It's too time consuming. So I really want to thank everybody for watching. Those of you that have asked about this last video, this truck, I want to thank everybody, you know, for hanging in there and sticking with me, and we're gonna get back to it. So things have been pretty awesome around here. I know they got slow, you know, there for a while. Lou, I really didn't talk about it too much, but my right-hand man, Lou, got into an accident last September. So that really put a damper on things around here. But he's back. We know they got his skull put back in. He's all stitched up, back to normal. Got his filter out the other day. So we're back 100%. So I just want to thank everybody for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.